Welcome for you in this course. What's about pharmacognosy in the globalized space? Congratulations for having this chance, and I can say that I'm really so proud to be with you. I am Maram Abdel Nasser Taha. I am a Palestinian pharmacist, American Studies Instructor, author, and researcher who is teaching on Udemy. Throughout individual history, the application of herbal medications has always been major to all healing frameworks. Prior to our comparatively modern dependence on the purified, separated, oftentimes synthetic chemical structures predominant in recent medicine today, plants were actually the fundamental origin of medications for the plurality of the world's inhabitants. This is still right today. Plants also supply the origin substance for a huge percentage of recent drugs. We would debate that the multidisciplinary theme pharmacognosy as one of many scientific branches of knowledge owns a strategic posture in the researches of scientific requests based on supervisions in nature. In extension to that, like a topic that itself is bridging chemistry and biology with medication can be offered in the combined efforts to catch young students for researches in recent life science. We realize the expression in this orientation. Globalization is indeed the growing interconnectedness of whole commune and their communities on a worldview level. It is actually an emergent multidimensional event of which cases of regularity are only a fraction. Although the evolutionary path of globalization can be planned back several centuries, the realization of the procedure is comparatively modern, which may show cause for the reasoning over what it is. The capability to see Earth's planet from space is a marked stamp of the space age. Anyway, decades of satellite measures have supplied comparatively little prudence into the enormous variety of form and medium in the plant world over time and space. Actually, space reconnaissance does not stand away from the globalization procedure. It is partial and part of the thing it has enlarged. The globalization procedure, therefore, demands us to reconsider the reconnaissance of space. In conclusion, nature manufactures found from medical plants and derivatives therefrom have supplied abundant clinically utilized medications. Even with all of the difficulties facing medication detection from medical plants, nature manufacturers separate from medical plants can be foreseen to exist a fundamental ingredient in the study for modern medications. Who this course is for? People from all over the world who have an interest in the following approaches: phytochemistry and pharmacognosy, nature and medicine, pharmaceutics, globalization, artificial intelligence technology, and minor in American studies. And this course material contains 33 resources. What you will learn in this course: globalization of the space, the awareness of the usage of medical plants, pharmacognosy, ecopharmacognosy, and ethnopharmacology definitions, the universal commercialization of herbaceous medication, global herbal medication survey, space and pharmacognosy, a topic of study, common herbals as nutraceuticals, common herbs as herbal drugs, the shapes of herbal medications, and challenging complications in nature manufacture evolution. Many thanks for your attention, and I'd like to invite you to register in this course or try the free preview if you want to explore further.